What if I told you that in 2026, working hard is actually the slowest way to make money? Here's the brutal truth. The laziest people aren't broke anymore. They're early. While everyone else is learning skills, grinding for clients, and burning out, a small group is quietly pulling $100 a day from systems they barely touch. No experience, no audience, no talent. And if you wait another year, these doors will close. Stay with me. Because the last method feels illegal, but it's not. Way number one, I search arbitrage, the Google replacement play. Here's a hard truth. Google is dying slowly. AI search is replacing it faster than you think. And here's what most people don't realize. AI search engines still don't have enough human-curated answers. That's the gap. What you do, you create hyper-specific answer pages for questions. AI tools can't answer well yet. Not blogs, not YouTube videos, not courses, simple pages. Examples: best AI tools for dentists in small cities, best invoice templates for freelancers in 2026, best resumes for remote jobs with no degree. You publish these pages on Notion, simple websites, even Google Docs converted to pages. Then you link affiliate tools, digital downloads, one paid resource. AI search engines pull your page as the answer. You get traffic, you get clicks, you get paid. Why this works in 2026? AI doesn't care who you are. It cares about clarity and relevance. You're not competing with influencers. You're competing with empty data. How $100 per day happens. One page, 50 to 100 targeted visitors, $2 to $5 per conversion. That's it. Micro challenge. Right now, pause the video. Open any AI search tool. Type a very specific question. If the answer feels weak or generic, you just found your opportunity. That was leverage through information. Now let's talk about leverage through attention. Way number two, short-form clip licensing without creating content. Let me be blunt. Most creators are lazy in the wrong way. You'll be lazy in the right way. What you do? You don't create content. You license moments, podcasts, interviews, long YouTube videos, webinars. You find underrated creators with good content but bad reach. You clip 20 to 40-second viral moments, add captions, post on TikTok, Reels, Shorts. But here's the twist. You license the clips back to news pages, motivation accounts, niche media pages, brand pages. They pay monthly to reuse your clips. Why this works in 2026. Attention is fragmented, original content is expensive, clipped content is liquid gold. Brands don't want creators, they want moment suppliers. How $100 per day happens? 10 licensed clips, $300 per month per client. One clip reused daily. You do the work once, you get paid repeatedly. Micro challenge. Go to YouTube right now. Search a podcast with under 50,000 subscribers. Watch for 3 minutes. If you spot a moment that made you stop, that moment can make you money, information, attention. Now comes the most dangerous one, because this one doesn't feel like work at all. Way number three, digital asset renting, the quiet $100 per day. Listen carefully. In 2026, ownership beats effort. And the laziest earners don't sell products. They rent digital space. What you do? You create micro assets, simple websites, niche Instagram pages, Telegram channels, email lists, AI prompt libraries. Then you rent them to businesses, not sell, rent monthly. Examples: a local services website rented to one business, a niche Instagram page rented to a brand, a prompt library rented to freelancers, a small email list rented to product owners. Why this works in 2026? Businesses are tired. They don't want to build. They don't want to experiment. They want ready attention. If you already have it, they pay. How $100 per day happens. 4 assets, $750 per month each. Fully hands-off. You maintain nothing. You update nothing. You just collect rent. Micro challenge. Ask yourself this one question. Be honest. What niche do you already understand better than most? That's not random. That's your unfair advantage. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't fail because you're lazy. You fail because you copy crowded paths. In 2026, hard work is common, hustle is noisy, leverage is quiet. The people making $100 per day aren't smarter, they're earlier, and now you are too. Choose one method, not all three. 1. Write it down. Take the first micro action today. Because the easiest money isn't found by grinding harder, it's found by moving before the crowd notices. The clock is already ticking.